Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 31, the number game, part 1 revision. So now let's learn our unit number 31 revision.
Here are some questions to take your mind. Here are some questions to take your mind. So, number first question is write plus or a minus to get the answer. Write plus or minus to get the answer. Some question to take your mind. That first question is write plus or minus to get the answer. So children, here we can see number 1 or A, and your our question is 23 then 17 is equal to 40. So, which sign plus or minus is get the answer. So, here we can write plus 23 plus 70. 23 plus 70. So, firstly, write 23 plus 70. So, children, now we are take 3 from first digit. So, this is a first digit. Right side first digit of both number first digit from both number in from right side. So first is 3. So here we can see a number 3. So it's a 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now plus. Here we see a plus. So now a plus and add 7. So here we add 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is 10. So we write 0 and another digit is right. Another digit right. 1 is here. And then now we have 1, 2, 3. So first we write 1, then 2 and 3. Now plus. So it's a plus. Then here we see a left side digit. So it's a 1. So now we count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now answer is 4. So our answer is 40. So here we write in a circle is a sign of plus. So that's why our answer 40 is right. Okay, understand children? So now next slide. So here our question is 35 minus 90. Our question is 35 minus 90. So now we take a first digit of both number from right side. So now we okay, now we can see here number 5. So 5 minus 9. So we cannot cut 9 into 5. So that's why we borrow here first 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in a 5 we cannot cut number 9. So that's why we borrow from left digit or another digit. And that's why we cut 3 and there is a add 10 into 5 and the inner number 3 is cut. That's why there is a number 2. Now we have a 10 plus 5. It's a 50. So we have 5 already. So now we add 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we have 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40 and 50. So we have 50 balls. So now we cut 9 ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many remains? So now we count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ball remain. Okay, now here number 2. So firstly we take two balls, 1 and 2. Now we cut one ball into 2. So here we cut one ball. So how many balls we have? How many balls? So we have one ball. So here we can see our answer is 16. So that's why here which sign is come? So here come minus sign. Okay, very good children. So you all are understand this minus digit or a two digit minus sum. Okay, now next. And here we can see our question is 40 minus 23. Our question is 40 minus 23. So, firstly write 40 minus 23. So, here we write 40 minus 23. Firstly, we write 40 minus 23 and take a first digit from our right side. So, take a first digit from right side. So, now we have to subtract 3 from 0. Now we have to subtract 3 from 0. But it's not possible because so we have borrow, so that's why we have borrow uh, borrow from 4. So now we cut 4 and write 3. Now we cut 4 and write 3 and put 10 on the 0. Okay, so now we cut 4 and write 3 and put 10 on 0. So now we have 10 and 10 is 0 is on the 10 is on the 0, and now 10 minus 3. Now 10 minus 3. So is equal to 7. So now 10 minus 3. So firstly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have a 10 fish. So we have 10 fish. Now we cut 3 fish. So 1, 2 and 3. So how many fish we have? So now we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have 7 fish. So now we write a 7. 7 and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. Now here we can see 3. 3 minus 2. So now here we take 3 fish. 1, 2 and 3. So here we take 3 fish. Now we cut 2 fish into 3. So 1, 2. So how many remains? Yes, it's 1. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 or equal to 1. So answer is 17. So answer is 17. Here we see answer is 17. So here also answer is 17. So here we write a minus sign. Here we write a minus sign. So children, you all are understand what is this? Okay, now next. So our question now next ND. So our question is 43 plus 27. So our question is 43 plus 7. So firstly we write 43 plus 27. So now first digit of both number. Now first digit of both number from a right side. Now first digit of both number from a right side. And so now add 3 and 7. So now add 3 and 7. So 3 plus 7. So now we write 3 plus 7. So firstly we take a triangle, 3 triangles. 1, 2 and 3. So firstly we take three triangle. Now 3 plus 7. So we add 7 into 3. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we count all the triangle. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have a 10 triangles. So that's why we write a 0 and put one on 4. Okay, now another side of the question, or a left side. Firstly we 4 and we add 4 plus 1. So now we take a triangle 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. So we take a 5 triangle plus 2, or now add 2 plus 1 and 2. Okay, now how many triangle we have? We count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 triangles. So we write 7. So our answer is 70. So here our answer is 70. So that's why here we put a plus sign, or plus to get the answer. So here we put plus. So children, you all are understand? Okay, so now we are going to learn a next question, and it's question number 2. Take the right answer, or uh, take the right answer. So 40 is equal to 28 minus 40, or 40 is equal to 28 minus 40, or 28 plus 40. 44 is equal to 28 minus 40, or 48 minus 40, or 28 plus 60. So now first we learn about 48 minus 48 minus 14. So firstly we write 48 minus 40. So first we write 48 minus 40. So here take a first digit from the right side. So now we have to subtract 8 from 4. Now we have to subtract 8 from 4. So we have to write. Firstly, we have to take 8 ice cream cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So firstly we take a 8 ice cream cone. So now we cut a 4 ice cream cone. Means 8 minus 4. So now we cut a 4 ice cream cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many remains how many have? So now we count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have a 4. So we have 4 ice cream cone. Okay. Now next we take now we separate 4 1 from 4. So it's we take a left side of digit. So it's a 1. We take a 4 ice cream cone. 2, 3 and 4. So now we cut 1 ice cream cone. So it's a 1. So now we count how many we have. So it's a 1, 2 and 3. So we have number 3. So our answer is 34. So here we see that our answer is 44. So this question 48 minus 14 is not the right answer. Okay, now we learn about this question. So it's a 28 plus 60. So now we write 28 plus 60. So now we firstly we have take a first digit from a right side. So now 8 plus 6 or firstly we add 8 plus 6. So it's a 20 from a right side. So it's a 8 and 6. So we write firstly we take a 8 apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now plus 6 means we take a 6 apples. Okay, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so how many apples are there? So now we count all the apples. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30 and 40. So our answer is 40. So now we write 4 and Answer is 4 and 1 is carry to and give 1 to carry another digit. So carry. So now we uh, take another digit from a left side. So 1 plus 2. So 1, firstly we take 1, then 2. 1 and 2. So it's 3. Now plus we add a 1. So now we add a 1. So it's a 1. So now we all count them. So it's a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is 4. So 28 plus 60 is our answer is 44. So our here we see 44 is the right answer. So our right answer is 28 plus 60. So here this is not right answer, but 44 is equal to 28 plus 60 is the right answer. So children, you all are understand and enjoy this lecture. So we will see you another part of this lesson in another question and answer. So till then, you all are stay home and stay safe. Thank you.